You can see me, I am surrounded by trees and greenery, but it's not where I am. In fact, I am at the beach. Today I'm going to show you Oludeniz Beach and Fethiye in general. Let's go. Welcome to the dazzling destination of Fethiye and the world-renowned Oludeniz Beach. Nestled along the southwestern coast of Turkey, this breathtaking region entices travelers with its natural beauty and rich history. We just parked on Oludeniz Beach and going to Comburno plage. It's at the end of the lagoon and it's 21 degrees Celsius today or even more. In summer, this beach is never empty. It's full and crowded. It's the peak season, but it's very nice to visit because there are a lot of things to do, from water sports to paragliding to scuba diving and swimming at this nice beach. A lot of places are being renovated and preparing themselves for the summer, but here there is one restaurant that's operating. You can see people over there suntanning and fishing. And those are the changing rooms. We paid 120 Turkish lira to enter to the lagoon, and here are the bathrooms beside them. There inside there are the showers to clean from the salty water. Here is the lagoon. By the way, it's a natural reserve. It's called Ölüdeniz Beach. It means the Dead Sea because there are no winds at the sea and no waves, because it's a lagoon, no matter if you are in winter or summer. Wow. I'm going to check the prices of the water sports. Those are the prices of the water sports. It's a mix between turquoise and green. The green coming from the mountains and the turquoise is coming from the sky and the white sands. Telepheric that goes to the top of the mountains in Oludeniz, and here you can see the cable cars. From Fethiye center to Oludeniz you can come by the Domuş bus. The buses will come from Fethiye to Oludeniz Beach every 5 minutes. Make sure that you get the right bus to Oludeniz. You can also go from Fethiye to Oludeniz using the water taxi. It's much worth it to come and visit Oludeniz. If you come to Fethiye, do not skip this place. It is amazing. Plan one day for it and you will really enjoy it, because we really did. Hopefully we will come back in the summer and we'll have a nice trip. If we knew that there is no breeze at all today, we could have brought our swimsuits with us and enjoyed the water at this paradise. From Oludeniz Beach to the Butterfly Valley, it's a 15 minutes drive, and now we are on our way to see the valley from up above. I just arrived to the Butterfly Valley, and by the way, it's not accessible by walking or by hiking because there was accidents of death and they closed it for all people by hiking. So the only way to access the Butterfly Valley or to access the beach to the Butterfly Valley is by boat. And let's go and see how does it look from up above. Come on. It's a rough way to go and see down. And here they are saying that after this area it's close to walking and visiting. It's very steep from here. You can see the beach down. Check the water. It's called Butterfly Valley because it has one of 5 species of butterflies. We are going to Paspatur market. It's the main bazaar or the main shopping street in Fethiye. Like brands, souvenirs, restaurants, baharat, etc. It's around 14 kilometers from Ölüdeniz to Fethiye to Paspatur, and it needs around 24 minutes. We'll see you there. So you'll find a lot of A101 or iOS beer shops in Fethiye, in Ölüdeniz exactly. If you need to buy your items, it's a supermarket, you can find anything and it's not expensive. In contrary to Oludeniz, Fethiye is always open in winter, in summer, in spring and in fall. Now I am going to Paspatur market to show you what's inside, and then we'll go and show you the marina, the lovely marina and the restaurants over there, and then we will move to Çaliş beach. Paspatur, Old Town Market. As I said, those are the baharat, souvenirs, bags, fake brands, dream catcher, dried fruits, artisans handmade bracelets, small restaurants, the Turkish delights that are a must to try if you are coming to Turkey. In any city you can find them, different flavors, different tastes. You can find a barber shop. Merhaba. İyi. Sen? Güzel. Thank you. Teşekkürler. I'd like to call Fethiye the British city of Turkey because there are 5,200 English persons living in Fethiye, and the locals that are living in Fethiye are 150,000 Turkish people. So for every 20 Turkish people there is one English in Fethiye. And because they came for retirement, most of them, the prices of the real estate increased drastically, even for rentals or for buying. A walk at this promenade is very enjoyable, especially in winter when the weather is like today. Now it's 4 p.m. and it's around 18 degrees Celsius, 19 degrees Celsius. So it's really enjoyable. And here is Kemal Atatürk, the founding father of Turkey, or the Republic of Turkey as we know it nowadays. For history lovers, Fethiye is a very interesting place. Once you are at Fethiye, it is good to visit Fethiye Ancient Theater. It is a Roman era theater located in Fethiye, Turkey. It is one of the most important historical landmarks in the city and a good example of architecture from the Roman period. The theater was originally built in the 2nd century AD when Fethiye, then known as Telmesos, was part of the Roman Empire. It was built in the traditional Roman theater style using local marble. According to historical records, the theater had a capacity of about 6,000 spectators. To reach the Fethiye Ancient Theater from Paspatur Market, it takes you around 5 minutes walking. The second historical place that you should see if you are in Fethiye is the Amintas rock tombs. It is the most famous tomb in the area. It's dated 400 BC, and to reach it from Paspatur Market, it will take you around 18 minutes by walking and 4 to 5 minutes by taxi. The entrance to Amintas tomb is 60 Turkish lira nowadays, which is equivalent to 1.9 US dollars, 1.75 euros or 1.5 pounds. The closest airport to Fethiye is Dalaman. The distance between Fethiye and Dalaman is 45 kilometers and it will take you around 50 minutes to reach your destination. Now we are at Fethiye Sahil. It's a very nice promenade and also there is a lot of restaurants here. There are bars also and the food is amazing, and since it is a very English area, as I said before, there are a lot of English people here. They also serve the English breakfast with the beans, sausages, etc. Our trip from Antalya to Fethiye, it took us around 3 hours. It's 2 kilometers from the middle of Antalya to reach here, and there are 2 routes. There is one route that you will come to Fethiye through Kemer and Kash, then you reach Fethiye. It's a very nice and scenic road that I suggest and I recommend to take it if you have time. But if you don't have time, like we have our baby with us, we try to shorten the distance. We took another road which is from Korkoteli area, and then we came through the mountains, and then we dropped down to the beach of Fethiye or to reach Fethiye. We are having our dinner by the sea with this amazing view. Fethiye is for everyone, for singles, for couples and for families. There are a lot of activities to enjoy. And I advise you, if you are coming to Antalya for more than 7 days, my advice is to come for at least 1 day and spend a day in Fethiye. Take a car and drive along the coast. It's very nice. It will take you around 4 hours, but it's very scenic and enjoyable. Also, I've been in Antalya for 5 years almost. There's no place to enjoy the sound of waves as here in Fethiye. I only know one restaurant over there, but here or the promenade at Fethiye Coast or Fethiye Sahil, it's available. Cheers! This is our bill. It tops 980 Turkish lira. As per today's exchange rate, it is 31.35 US dollars, equivalent to 24.86 pounds and 29 euros. We wanted to go to Çaliş Beach, as I mentioned in the video, and film it this year, but we didn't have much time at the same day. We are using some video shots that we filmed last year in the summer. Because of the beauty of Fethiye, Bill Gates has visited Fethiye 2 times, not only as a visit, but he also celebrated his 66th birthday with Jeff Bezos in Fethiye on their private yacht. If you have the Schengen visa or you are from the European Union or your country's passport allows you to enter Greece freely, then you can visit Greece by visiting Rhodes Island from Fethiye. By ferry it will take you 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you liked our videos, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for new videos from us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.